Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. You guys, we are checking out great outdoor patio furniture today, and this is one of my favorites. It's from PHI Villa, and it is a 5-piece set. This comes with 4 chairs and a beautiful square table. You guys, this is going to be all really high quality materials. The top, you can get that premium PVC or a metal top depending on your preferences, but either is going to last a really long time and it's going to be really easy to clean. This is going to be really durable, really sturdy. It's made of powder coated steel, so it can support a lot of weight, and it's also going to be good for being out in the elements because it's going to be rust and corrosion proof. The fabric also is a really great material. It is resistant to fading in the sun, and it's also going to be lightweight and breathable. So if you're out on a hot day, you're still going to be comfortable. The chairs themselves have this 360-degree swivel design, so you can swivel all the way around. Great for conversation, great for hanging out at a party. These are also going to give you just that slight rock and be a really comfortable ergonomic design, great hand rest, and just keep you comfortable. It also has a place for an umbrella in the middle if you would like to put your umbrella out, get out of the shade, all of that kind of stuff. This is a really great company. PHI Villa is great. They offer a 1-year warranty against any manufacturer defects, so you know they stand by their product. This is gonna be easy to assemble, and you can get an amazing patio furniture right off Amazon. Just put it in your cart, order it a few days. You're gonna have an amazing outdoor dining set and be enjoying it in no time.